Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick this pile. Light. Without the dark, we'd never see the stars. Ignorance makes you a tool to be used. Knowledge makes you a weapon to be feared. The animal spirit today? Polar bear, mystic. Know that challenges make you stronger. Have faith when you face adversity. Take time to rest, dream, and renew your strength. Embrace your psychic abilities. You carry the shaman within. And our quotes today. Fall in love with a person who enjoys your madness, not an idiot who forces you to be normal. Today, I'm choosing to be present, mindful, patient, gentle, calm, grateful, and understanding. It's okay to be different. It's okay to be bruised. It's okay to show one's scars. I don't know when the world started to tell us perfection is beautiful, but it is wrong. What would your life look like if you couldn't use these excuses? You can no longer think that it's going to be difficult. You can no longer think that it's going to be risky. You can no longer think in blame terms. You can no longer think you're too old or too young. P.S. You'll feel free. Wayne Dyer. You shouldn't give your 100% at work. Or you should give your 100% at work. 23% on Monday, 25% on Tuesday, 40% on Wednesday, 8% on Thursday, and your whole 4% on Friday. Glimmers. Glimmers are those micro moments in your day that make you feel joy, happiness, peace, or gratitude. Once you train your brain to be on the lookout for glimmers, the more these teeny moments will begin to appear. Have you ever had glimmers in your life? And the last one today, the first place we lose the battle is in your own thinking. If you think it's permanent, then it's permanent. If you think you've reached your limits, then you have. If you think you'll never get well, then you won't. You have to change your thinking. You need to see everything holding you back, every obstacle, every limitation as only temporary. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.